Hi, my name is Samantha on FTC Team 4717, and this is the first tutorial in our LaTeX series. In this episode, we are going to learn how to write an entry and insert pictures in an engineering notebook. We will be using Sublime as our editor and TextWorks to compile the notebook. Instructions can be found in our GitHub. This is our main document, which includes calls to the other entries. When we compile in TextWorks, we will run the main file to create the notebook. Now, we will get started on creating an entry. First, we will create a folder for the month, and then a folder with the date. We have a meeting example document we will follow. But first, we must open a new file in the folder, which we will save as meeting.tex. Now, we can go back to our example and copy it over into our meeting file. At the start of the document, we have our insert meeting command, which includes a title, date, organization or location, team members, an image, and time. It is also followed by a summary. We can fill those placeholders in with the correct information. Now, we can move on to the summary. This is where you can write your entry, so I will be putting in 2 example paragraphs to demonstrate how they will look. Also, make sure to save often. We will move back to the main file and write our call to the entry so it can be found in the notebook. This will be done by writing \include, open squiggly bracket, then the file destination, which is meetings/June/06/2523/meeting. Now, we will move to TextWorks. In the top right corner under File, click Open, then the Notebook folder, then the main.tex file. Click the green arrow to compile and run the notebook. Once it is done compiling, it will open a new tab with the notebook. Here, I will scroll to the new entry we added. Under Meetings, we have our new entry titled Built Robot with the example summary paragraphs. Another thing we can add to our entry is a picture. Make sure the picture file is in the same folder as the meeting file. On the first line, we will write \begin open squiggly bracket figure closed squiggly bracket open bracket HTTP closed bracket. On the next line, we will write \centering, which centers the image. On the following line, we will write \include graphics, open bracket, width equals 0.9, \text width, closed bracket. Then in the squiggly brackets will be the photo file location, which is meetings/the month/the date/the image file. The next line will be \caption, squiggly brackets, then fill in with a caption. The next line will be \label, squiggly brackets, fig:082322, which will label the figure. The last line will have \end open squiggly bracket figure closed squiggly bracket. Now we can run it in TextWorks and see the image with the caption in the notebook. At the end of the notebook is a list of figures. With the label line, we can tag each figure with its caption and page in the list of figures. We can also add more images, so we can copy our last 6 lines and paste them. We can update the photo and caption as well. To change the rotation of a photo, we can write after \text width, angle equals 90 to turn the image 90 degrees. After we save it, we can run it in TextWorks again. As you can see, the second image is rotated 90 degrees. The image's figure label and caption are also updated in the list of figures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.